Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Windows by removing the product key in Windows 11. You will simply hit the start button from your keyboard and type CMD, run it as administrator, select yes, and here is the command prompt. You will just copy the command in front of you and I will leave it in the description below. Click enter and telling you product key successfully uninstalled. Okay, I want to make sure that command works fine without any issues. So I will close the command prompt and go to the desktop. I will just right click and personalize. And here is the famous words that active now. You need to active Windows before you can personalize your PC. And we successfully uninstalled the product key. If you find this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe.